Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we have another stock market broker review. We're going to be looking at the Cash App. Should you even use it or should you stay away from it? So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you get anything in value, hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, I do have a course and you guys can use promo code dividends to get 50% off. So at least check it out and it'll be the first link down below. You guys will learn how to properly invest in the stock market. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Roll the intro. Let's go. So now for those of you that don't know what the Cash App is pretty much like an online bank. They'll send you a debit card in the mail and you can select from a variety of boosts that they have. So you can instantly get $10 off any purchase from anywhere. You just select what boost you want and it's honestly really cool because you can save a ton of money. So now another cool thing about the Cash App is you can send money to friends and family and pretty much anybody who has the Cash App. Honestly, it's really convenient and it's a strong competitor to Venmo and a lot of the other money sending services. So now another cool thing that the Cash App has is investing. You can invest in any stock, ETF, index fund, and even Bitcoin. It's really cool and it's very beginner friendly. So the pros and cons of the Cash App investing is very simple. The Cash App investing is pretty much designed for beginners who are just getting started with investing. The reason why is because you can invest with as little as $1. So as beginners, you may not have hundreds or thousands of dollars to invest. You just want to invest maybe $10 here or there or $1 here and there. But that's the thing, the Cash App, you can do it. And if you have the checkings account, all of your money and everything, all of your finances are going to be on one app. So your investing's on one app, your checking's on one app. It's very convenient. But now looking at the Cash App investing, you guys can see it's very simple. I do have roughly $185 invested with the Cash App in a variety of stocks. Honestly, it's very convenient because you don't need a ton of money. But like I said, this is designed for beginners. This isn't designed for traders or huge investors. This is for people who are just getting started with investing here. So you guys can see that I've instantly invested, into the S&P 500 index. I invested in Disney, Airbnb, Chipotle, Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan, Amazon, Visa, Coca-Cola, McDonald's. And the cool thing is you can have a watch list on here. So you guys can see I do have a nice little watch list of some stocks that I plan on buying here. So Facebook, Costco, all these other ones here. And then if you guys are beginners and you don't know where to invest, it's cool that they have the most traded monthly and then you can pick from pretty much any sector out there. So for beginners, you don't know where to invest. It's very beginner friendly here. As we can continue to scroll down here, you guys can see the biggest daily movers. So these are stocks that are probably going to have some sort of catalyst and are getting exploded in buying pressure or selling pressure. You guys can see that Poshmark is down 18% and we do have Driven Brands, which is up 21%. It's really convenient here because you can go and you can click this little search tab and invest in any stock out there. You just got to type in the ticker or the company's name. And now if let's say you're like, Carter, I don't want to invest in stocks. Well, you can invest in Bitcoin. I do have a little invested with Bitcoin too. And as we continue to scroll down, you guys can buy, sell, and I do have a auto invest where I invest like $10 a week on this platform. And I do have multiple other investing platforms out there. Me personally, I use M1 Finance because it's a little more like creating your own ETF. Very easy to use too. But honestly, the Cash App investing is very beginner friendly and I highly recommend it here. The downside is it's not good for more advanced traders or even more advanced investors. This is really designed for people who are just getting started with investing. And you might be saying, well, Carter, should I even invest $1? Well, the thing is honestly, I think not investing is terrible. I think everybody should be investing money, even if it's $1 a month, $5 a month, $10 a month. Imagine if you guys could just invest $10 a month for 40 years. Look at the return you'll have. It's honestly really cool. The one thing that this broker does not have is what you call DRIP, which is dividend reinvesting. So If you get a dividend, some brokers will have it where it automatically reinvests it right back into that company. This doesn't have it because it has a minimum threshold of $1 to invest. So it doesn't have drip, but honestly this app and this broker is very, very convenient and beginner friendly. Now if I was gonna rate it out of 10, 10 being a perfect broker, I think this would fall right at around a 6.5 because I obviously believe the charts are not the greatest, but honestly you can invest and it's beginner friendly, user friendly. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode on the Cash App. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to sign up, I do have a referral link. I'll put that as the second link down below, so at least check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Have a good one. Bang.